Andrew Holness. He also suggested last evening that the GLP would be looking to become the first party to win 4 straight terms in office.
We will not be laying back comfortable in victory. No, we will be rebuilding, refreshing, renewing, and preparing to be a credible alternative to the opposition for the 4th term of a Jamaica Labour Party government. Jamaicans, your democracy is strong. You have made the right decision to continue with a government that performs, because it sends a signal to governments to come that the way to win is by performing, by doing, by achieving victory by merit. Victory by merit.
And what we should have said in our scripting is that it would be 4 straight terms for the first time for the Jamaica Labour Party. The People's National Party has won 4 elections in a row in Jamaica, yeah? But the Jamaica Labour Party has never won 4 terms. It is winning 3 consecutive terms for the first time, right? Recall now, for the students, the youngsters watching, hearing us, the PNP won in 89, 93, 97, 2002, before the Bruce Golding-led Labour Party ended that streak of wins in 2007, yeah? But for the Labour Party, yeah, been around since 1943. They're what, 82 years old now, and they have never won 3 consecutive general elections. And this is why Holness this morning, yeah, has created history. And you never know what beckons over the next 3-4 years. He spoke about a 4th term, but yesterday on the campaign trail, he was asked by our Ricardo Brooks about the prospect of a 4th term, and he left the door open.